Hello guys, and welcome to the second instalment of Driftstyle UK's YouTube channel. We're back on the 350Z, me and Turkish. We're going to be getting it done. Today what we've got to do is we've got to pull the power of the rear of the vehicle. We've got to push it out by about 3 or 4 inches and sort out the damaged rear quarter and find out what's going on, because it looks like there's a lot of filler on there, doesn't it? So it looks like we're going to have to sort that out. This car is going to be our promo car for 2025 for Driftstyle UK. We've ordered the body kit. The body kit's on its way. We've been told it's going to be delivered today via courier. We're super excited, and this car is going to be all about style. So yeah, we're super excited about the body kit that we've ordered. We obviously know what colour we're going to paint it. We know what wheels we're going to chuck on it, and yeah, we're hoping that we can get a lot done today. We're doing it in bits and pieces, and hopefully we can get the car completed within maybe 3-4 weeks. I know it's a big shout, but yeah, in between doing everything like Driftstyle UK, D-pad and the car, and obviously everyday life, it's going to be pretty crazy. We've just moved into the unit. We're still doing little bits and pieces to it. We call it the shed, but really it is a unit. It's heated, it's lit, it's, you know, we've decorated it, done the best we can with it, with what we got. And yeah, we appreciate all your views, all your likes, your subscribes. And yeah, we don't care whether we have 5 or 10 or 15 views or 15,000. We know that we're just starting off, and some people might not be interested, but you know, we're going to keep on going. We're going to keep on going at it, and we're going to, yeah, we're going to show you guys what we get up to. Anyway, we're going to crack on, and we'll speak to you in a bit. Definitely uses good bodywork, bloke, don't they? Right, so we've shut the boot, we've put the rear light in it to see how the rear quarter's been, and because we've had to push all this back, and that's pushed the rear quarter into where it needs to be, and we've reduced the gap and straightened the car out because it was like laying over down this side because it had been hit and then squeezed out and then pushed in and underneath. So we've pushed it out, we've pushed it up, and yeah, it's straightened this bit out, lovely. But yeah, we found some more terminal problems with it. As you can see in the video earlier, Ollie was chipping away at the rear quarter. We're going to give you a quick show of what's hidden beneath this lovely black paint. But yeah, we're happy with that. Boot shuts, lovely. It's nice and straight now, so that should be good for the bumper to go on, the brand new bumper. Happy days. Would you just look at that? This was all filler. Could you believe it? Look, the dent here, they didn't even bother pushing it out. They put like 10 mil, 20 mil of all sorts of crazy Bondo. It stinks, it's gone rusty, it needs sorting out, but we will do it. We're gonna porta power that out as well, push that out to as straight as it needs to be. We're gonna take the excess off, the last bits off, we're gonna flapper wheel it all off. We're going to get it to some sort of straight condition, and now we've got to put over fenders on it, haven't we? Because this is just not going to have, yeah, we're not having this. No, it just looks like a patchwork quilt, doesn't it? It looks terrible. Other than that, what we're going to do is we're going to cut the inner and the outer lip around here, so that then when we put the guard fender on, we can stick the car a lot lower than what it is now. I mean, it's on the absolute deck at the minute, but we want it a little bit lower. So we're going to take that out and we're going to weld the two together, the inner and the outer skin like everybody does. And then before we put the guard fender on or the over fender, we're going to weld a plate underneath here that's going to finish to the arch line on the over fender. So if we get any debris or any delamination at any time, it won't just rip the rear fender off. So hopefully, yeah, all going well, 3-4 weeks, a different beast. We hope.
Yes.
Anyway. On to the next bit. Look at that lovely carbon fibre, not real roof. This needs to be heat gunned and peeled off like a massive great big sticker. It's very brittle, it's very old.
Very brittle as well.
Yes, Cabot Weber. It's definitely Cabot Weber. Sticker, it's a sticker and it's horrible, so we're going to pull that off. And so that'll be followed in the instalment as well. Right guys, that concludes episode number 2 of the Drift Style UK 350Z vlog. Right, so we thought, you know what, stuff it, let's blow the wings off, jack it up, we've got to do a service on the car, all the oils, the wheels are off the front, Ollie's been scratching, yeah, you don't want to see what we've got off the car. That hasn't come from pad, that's come from another track. It was cooking oil and mud and rubber, and we probably saved about 10 kilo off the car, which is a touch. So as you can see, we took the roof as well, we got rid of that, didn't we? Blown the front end completely apart this time round. It's up in the air, ready to do all the other bits and pieces. But we're happy with what we got done today, haven't we, mate? We've done loads, learned the loads. So we're happy with what we've done today, and yeah, we're going to finish up. We've been told that the body kit's on its way. It's now coming at around about 9 o'clock tonight, so we look forward to seeing that. And hopefully we'll get that offered up and see whether we've straightened the back of the car up as we needed to. Yeah, so if you'd like to like, subscribe, follow the journey. We don't care if we get 5 views, we're not really bothered. We're just doing this to document the 350Z that we're building for Drift Style UK as a promo car. We're gonna have a driver drive it. We're gonna have a number of drivers drive it because it's like an invitational car. But yeah, we've got a super rad person to drive the car. I'm going to be teaching them to drive the car at pad, and yeah, we're going to bring them to the shows at BHP show in Kent, BHP Fuel Fest, and then obviously the one at Northampton, 20th of September, something that's never happened before. It's going to be a night event. So please like, subscribe, follow, get onto the Drift Style UK page, give us a follow, and we can get cracking on with reigniting everything that we're doing, and we're going for it proper this year. I've been speaking to drivers on and off all day. We've been doing the vlog, we've been having teas, coffees, taking the car apart, it's been sick. So yeah, we're moving forward. 2025 is looking rad, and yeah, it can only look better. So we're going to sign off, we're going to call it a day, we're going to go home and have some dinner and wait for this body kit to arrive. So what we're going to do, bumps, and we'll see you later. Yummy. Look at it. Oh, heaps of it.